Find the equations of tangent and normal to the curve 3y is equals to x square minus 6x plus 17 at 4 comma 3. So equation of tangent to a curve y is equals to f of x at a point P, and the point is given by x1 comma y1 is given by an equation y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So this is the equation for a line which is passing through a point x1 y1 and having a slope m. So anyway, this is the equation to find a tangent to a curve y is equals to f of x. So here m represents the slope at x1 y1. So and slope is nothing but dy by dx is also will treat it as we know that it is a slope at some, if you find out x1 y1, it represents the slope. So to find out the equation of tangent, we require the dy by dx, and also equation of normal is given by to the same point is given by y minus y1 is equals to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So here we know when two lines are perpendicular, their product of their slope must be minus 1. So from that we can write simply the equation like this. So from this introduction we get to know that to write the equations or to find out the equations we require slope m, and m is nothing but dy by dx, and we are finding out at x1 y1. So we have to find out dy by dx from the given equation. So the given equation is 3y is equals to x square minus 6x plus 17. So from this equation to find out dy by dx, we are differentiating this equation with respect to x. So it is 3 into dy by dx, and it is 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x, and it is 6x, and it is 0. And from this, if you write dy by dx, it is 2 by 3 into x minus 3. And the slope of the tangent at 4 comma 3 is nothing but dy by dx at 4 comma 3. This is nothing but slope of this line at this point. So 4 comma 3. So we got dy by dx as 2 by 3 x minus 3, and 2 by 3 in the place of x we have to substitute 4, means this 4 comma 3 is nothing but x and y values of this equation. So 2 by 3, and here x is there, so at the place of x if you write 4, it is 4 minus 3, means so dy by dx at 4 comma 3 is 2 by 3. So here you can write equation of tangent at 4 comma 3 is nothing but y minus y1, means here x1 y1 means x1 is 4 and y1 is 3. Here is given, point is given. So you can write y minus 3 into 2 by 3 x minus 4. From that you can write 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of tangent at 4 comma 3 to the given curve. And if you write equation of the normal at same point 4 comma 3, so it is y minus y1. So if you see from this, y minus y1 is equals to 1 minus 1 by m x minus x1. So x1 value is 4, y1 value is 3. So if you substitute those values, so y minus y1 means 3 is equals to minus 1 by m, means so we got m value, that is dy by dx has 2 by 3. So if you do minus 1 by m, it is minus 3 by 2. X minus x1 value is 4. So if you simplify that, we are getting equation of the normal at 4 comma 3 to the given curve is 3x plus 2y minus 18 is equals to 0. So for more videos, please subscribe and activate bell symbol, and also please share my videos with your friends. Thanks for watching.